welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2013 200 horsepower Evinrude Etec 25-inch with less than 2 hours on it. We bought it from R&D company. They've never been mounted on a boat. As you can see, they still have the steering caps on them, the factory shift pieces or ship pieces. We did go ahead and put a new water pump in it, OEM, new spark plugs, went through the fuel system because it just being a 2013 and not having a lot of hours, we figured that stuff needed to be checked and make sure it's all up to par. Comes with the control box, no cables, comes with the harness, the oil tank, and that's what you get. No prop, all that good stuff. So you'll need a couple things, but not much. We'll fire it up here. And you're going to get that beep when you start it first of every time because it's just going through the system, the oil check, the water check, pressure check, all that. So we'll let her warm up for a second here, pump a little bit of water going. Pumping good water. You'll see a little bit of smoke because we are running it inside in a tank, so you're going to see a little smoke on them. Go ahead and get it in gear and let this bad boy run. Reverse. We'll go back into shut her off, restart it. If you're interested, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you. Have a great day.